Leaked. New female robot. Weekly Boston Dynamics news. Phew! Lately, it seems Boston Dynamics really have everything going for them. Lots been happening in the Boston Dynamics sphere these last few weeks. Have a look. Stretch robots head to Georgia in $10 million deal. Boston Dynamics will be rolling out its Stretch warehouse robot at NFI's Georgia facility in a deal valued at $10 million. First unveiled in 2019 and designed to automate handling tasks to take repetitive and strenuous tasks out of human workers' hands, the Stretch robot is fitted with adaptive grippers, a mobile base, and an advanced vision system. In the latest deal, Stretch will be used to unload stock from trucks and containers at NFI's facility in Savannah, Georgia. NFI, like many other operators, is responding to ongoing challenges with staffing and labor costs, combined with rising demand for production, something that is leading to a spike in demand for logistics robots. We designed Stretch to automate box moving, an operationally and physically challenging task across warehouses, says Robert Plater, Boston Dynamics CEO. Demand for goods continues to rise, and robots like Stretch can help NFI alleviate some of the challenges associated with that surging demand. Stretch makes truck unloading a safer and more efficient task, and NFI can pass that efficiency along to its customers. The pilot program will start in 2023, with plans to conduct similar initiatives at other NFI warehouse locations across North America in the coming years if the pilot is successful. At a time when companies need to evolve to meet consumer expectations, NFI has stepped in as the innovative logistics partner, contributing to our customers' competitive edge, said Sid Brown, NFI CEO. With Stretch, we will enhance the movement of freight through our facilities while providing a safer environment for our employees. Hyundai's launch of the Boston Dynamics AI Institute. Hyundai Motor Group recently announced the launch of Boston Dynamics AI Institute, with the goal of making fundamental advances in artificial intelligence, robotics, and intelligent machines. The group and Boston Dynamics will make an initial investment of more than $400 million in the new institute, which will be led by Marc Raibert, founder of Boston Dynamics. As a research-first organization, the institute will work on solving the most important and difficult challenges facing the creation of advanced robots. Elite talent across AI, robotics, computing, machine learning, and engineering will develop technology for robots and use it to advance their capabilities and usefulness. The Institute's culture is designed to combine the best features of university research labs with those of corporate development labs while working in 4 core technical areas: cognitive AI, athletic AI, organic hardware design, as well as ethics and policy. Our mission is to create future generations of advanced robots and intelligent machines that are smarter, more agile, perceptive, and safer than anything that exists today, said Marc Raibert, Executive Director of Boston Dynamics AI Institute. The unique structure of the Institute, top talent focused on fundamental solutions with sustained funding and excellent technical support, will help us create robots that are easier to use, more productive, able to perform a wider variety of tasks, and that are safer working with people. To achieve such advances, the Institute will invest resources across the technical areas of cognitive AI, athletic AI, and organic hardware design, with each discipline contributing to progress in advanced machine capabilities. In addition to developing technology with its own staff, the Institute plans to partner with universities and corporate research labs. The Western Australia Police Force's latest recruit. The Western Australian Police Force heard news that a robot that crushed a 7-year-old's finger during the Moscow Chess Open and thought, now is the time to unveil our latest $350,000 investment. From blue heelers to Black Mirror, Spot the robotic dog is the latest WA Police Force recruit. At 31 kilos, the loping mutt is limber, Balearic, watch his fluid, erotically charged cat-cow transition, and ready to sniff out bombs. The Boston Dynamics robot, yes, the ones that inspired the harrowing Metalhead episode of Black Mirror, has been enlisted as part of WA Police Force's Tactical Response Group, which is responsible for investigating and disarming potential explosives, something that Commissioner of Police Carl Blanche admits is rare in WA. Spot won't actually defuse any bombs, but he'll play a valuable role in assessing the danger. We know people that'd take a look at an active bomb and tell you, mate, it's not looking good, for less. The main, most valuable asset the Tactical Response Group has when dealing with a bomb or any explosive device are the people, WA Minister for Police Paul Papalia said. Anything we can do to protect them and get them further away from danger and the explosive device is a good thing. Historically speaking, law enforcement embracing singularity has not gone down well with the hoi polloi. In 2020, the NYPD leased a Boston Dynamics dog of its own and called it DigiDog. The robot was only deployed in a few situations, including a home invasion in the Bronx, before it was pulled amid widespread backlash. With critics likening the sprightly hound to a dystopian surveillance drone, you can't blame the public for their reservations, though. What with the recently surfaced footage of a robot dog blasting a submash gun into targets against the snowy, rolling hills of Russia. Or Preserved Egg, the robot dog that barked orders at Shanghai residents during the city's mandatory COVID lockdown. And who could forget the autonomous jellyfish slaughtering robots of South Korea? Yup. A dystopian nightmare from Russia. A mash gun strapped to the back of a robot dog has captured the internet's attention, with its futuristic design resembling something straight out of dystopian sci-fi thriller. Twitter was abuzz with apprehension that a real-life Black Mirror might not be a distant possibility anymore, when a video showed a Boston Dynamics-style robot firing a submash gun at its targets on snowy terrain. All the people who laughed off the worrywarts years ago for freaking out about the funny dancing robot dogs should be forced to watch this video once a day for the remainder of the year, warned the Twitter user who posted the chilling video. It comes barely a few days after the US company's 5-feet-tall, 190-pound humanoid robot named Atlas was seen running and leaping over obstacles in a clip. While the robot in question does appear to be the type known for dancing, it's equipped to fire the mash gun as it pleases, and, with that, every seemingly far-fetched warning by experts has now become a reality. And to hold on to the notion that its authenticity can't be verified would be, frankly, wishful thinking. When one user claimed that the robot dog with a submash gun is fake, another traced it back to the original video posted in March by Russian tech entrepreneur Alexander Atamanov, the founder of a hoverbike company. There's more evidence pointing to the possibility that the video is filmed in Russia, as the robot bears a Russian flag on its left flank and the other side a wolf's head, which is an insignia apparently used by the Russian Special Operations Forces. Spot, a dog of many talents. Boston Dynamics robot dog, Spot, is well known for busting a move on the dance floor, but the company doesn't want you to forget it is not a one-trick pony, dog. Spot has become well known for its dance routines featured on Boston Dynamics' YouTube channel. In one video, Spot even mimics Mick Jagger as he dances and sings "Start Me Up." In the latest video, maintenance worker Murray longs for Spot to join him on the dance floor. Spot keeps ignoring Murray's wishes in order to do its job, until one day his co-workers make Murray's dream come true. And the ensuing routine would even impress Kevin Bacon's Ren McCormick character in the movie Footloose, or Kenny Wormald's character, if you prefer the remake. The point of the video is to make sure people know that Spot is far more than a dancing robot dog. In fact, customers utilize it to collect thousands of data points to drive predictive maintenance models, build comprehensive digital twins of their construction site, and minimize the risk to employees in hazardous situations. That's all for this video, folks. See you another time.